Think I'm a bam bam. The was all Jamaican. Really different style, different fashion.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. It's the new day. It's a big day today. We all have a wedding today. We're preparing for. So, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. The place kind of busy. Early in the morning. I don't think it's 7 o'clock yet. But hey, yeah. So I'm gonna take you guys along the day with us. I might not take you to the wedding because everybody's gonna be busy, but I'm gonna take you throughout the preparation and everything. So hi, say hi to my handsome nephew. He's so sweet. That's my nephew. Anyways, guys, so I'll take you along with us, okay? Peace.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not having it.
Yep.
Yeah.
No. No. No.
Yeah,
No.
man. We drink sour beer. Yeah.
Oh no, sorry, beer. How much percent alcohol? None. Any? No, but sometimes you just have to have a drink. That's what the doctor tell me. And I say, yeah. I think I want to drink, I have no. I want to give no, so then give me. Yeah. Because he said to me, yeah, when you go home in the evening, you have to have a drink, like to relax. Yeah. And if that
have a
tell you
wine.
that.
I like mustard.
Oh, no, right. We have Guinness, eh? But Guinness scarce. So then that like you tell me no. Nobody never put a gun to your head.
Right.
Of course, he just put it there.
Okay. Just like Mark, when he drink, he say, I run water. Yeah, me, yeah.
See what I come out from it, though?
You're good. And then he want me to taste it. I say, you're mad. Nah. But I'm an idiot. They want it, I'm telling you, no. How much you want that for? Yeah, how big you are for this time?
Biggie.
Liquor?
Biggie.
Good morning.
Biggie. Biggie, we are one pink cat. Little we are one pink cat. And you are Biggie.
You cute? A sweet boy, and I'm out here some grand fitness, boy. Jesus.
Name father no breeder.
Yes, he is. My God, prepare yourself, love.
On the center table. It's not there? Where the eyelashes?
And I'm going to take a look at because they're so cute.
Queenie, go look for it. It's Ali Curly Tire, the black one. Yeah.
Big, because going out the market bathroom. No, in the kitchen, it's my phone. Bring it up for me, please. Take it out and bring it for me, please. So what time Chris and Dan done do here last night? Can we go in that time?
Can buy it for me?
Yeah, when you get big, and I'm here buy me Lamborghini.
Hey! Yeah, you go, son.
Yeah, for I treat what make you smell it. Alright,
Where man?
You like it?
No,
Yes.
this gonna. Can't remember feel no iron. Yeah.
The big and small and it feel.
But I don't want to burn.
Turn around the back.
I know Christian gonna make me friend. Nice, isn't it?
See your ear back.
Yeah.
No. She go start when me have to do the makeup first, and after, innit?
Thank you.